Hello everyone, start off by taking this cloth, now vertically fold it over, bring the top downwards as well and make this small slit in the side. Make a curved L-shaped cut in the side as well, open this out and now afterwards fold this downwards. Now make a cut in the side and then take another cloth, fold it up into the square, cut the corners and then afterwards open this out as well. Add this to the bottom and you have yourself a dress. You may add sleeves to it as well. Next, take the small cloth, vertically fold it over first, add these lines to it and make an arrowhead-like shape out of the top after opening up the fold. Do the same for the bottom as well. Cut out the side and now afterwards, take this pink ribbon and then stitch it throughout. Now you have yourself a coat. Now take the cloth and then slowly begin to stitch two of the pieces together. These will be rectangular pieces. Now afterwards, fold it over and then iron it onto this. Add this as a pair of pockets as such. Now stitch it onto the main piece of cloth. After you do so, then let the other piece down and you may hand stitch a part of it as such. Now make sure that you're precise with the stitching. As you can see, it is this kind of plain material. Now afterwards, open it out and then this is what it should look like. Now you have yourself a coat. Next, take this piece of cloth, vertically stitch it over, make these lines to it as such. After folding it over, fold it up and then make this L-shaped cut to it. Once you're done with this, then make a slit in the middle and then separate it. Now afterwards, add two of the pieces together, stitch them together, add the sleeves as well, add little pockets to it and lace the ends of it. Next, take this piece of cloth, diagonally fold it over as such. Make these markings to it and then afterwards, cut out a piece of this. Now afterwards, take the small piece, make this V-shaped cut to it and now afterwards open this out. Draw the tops together as such, make a skirt to the bottom. Now fold it over. Next, take a piece of cloth, fold this into half vertically, diagonally fold it over as such and make a curved cut to it. Fold it over on either side, make another curved cut to the side. Cut the top over. Now afterwards, make a small cut to it, open this out. Fold the tops downwards and now add this to it as well. Next, take this cloth and then fold it over on either side of it, fold it into half as well. Cut out the top of it as such. Now open it up and then fold this into half, make it slightly more curved. Afterwards, fold over either side to make it meet in the middle, add the top to it and now add the brooch to the middle of it as such. Next, we'll start off by taking our cloth and afterwards diagonally fold it over. Lift this up as well. Make these cuttings out of it and keep it aside. Afterwards, make a slit at the bottom as well. Open this out. Afterwards, cut it according to the patterns you created. Now, add these buttons to the side. Take this red cloth and then afterwards vertically fold it over. Now horizontally fold it over and make this square as well. Cut it and make this curved cut to it. Cut the top corner of it as well. Now separate it and then afterwards fold it downwards. Fold the sides over and then add the top to it to make a skirt. Take this cloth, diagonally fold it over. Now make a curved cut through the top of it as well. Make a cut through the side and then keep it aside. Make a slit to it and then afterwards lift one of the corners upwards. After you're done with this, take this ribbon, add it to the sides and then add this lace to it as well and there you have it. Next, take this cloth, fold over either side of it to make it meet in the middle and then fold this into half. Make this cut out of the top of it and now make a curved cut to the bottom as well. Make a diagonal cut to the top and then do the same on the other side, fold this into half. Now join it together. Thank you for watching.